Iya. Apa kopinya? Empat. Dua.
Udah
Tadi nyoba satu wes tidak jadi.
Satu setengah.
Juga kemanisan.
Empat. Bulannya kan ini Ren. Satu setengah. Satu. Saya. Salah hancur.
Saya yang bisa buat nomor orang itu kalau misalnya kayak dari Google Access dari register itu biasanya bukannya lewat itu bedanya ide. Tidur.
tidur.
Nggak tahu biar tadi kan tidur mau tidur apa nyariin HP. Oh HP itu ini recording makasih sudah ada terus kayaknya sih lagi saya kok bisa mana tadi mainan temannya dicari-cari kamu dia.
Wow, nangkong lemak yang dia.
Hai Tanti. Takziah itu makan takziah. Besok ada yang mau datang.
Siapa lagi?
Dari pihak Romis. Mana yang bilang nih?
Baik, itu aja udah terserah dia. Jam berapa sini?
Bu Rizkinya belum bisa dihubungi ya Bu.
Ya besok Diko ikut ke sini kali. Dari itu, dari Rohis.
Soalan. Kan tanya ke rumah dia apakah Ukti bersedia? Enggak.
Besok saya masuk sekolah gitu. Besok saya insya Allah masuk gitu.
Iya. Apa dong jawabnya? Tapi saya besok ada di sekolah. Tapi saya besok masuk sekolah. Gimana?
Bersedia, tapi mohon maaf, besok saya udah sekolah.
Besok saya sekolah. Besok saya sudah sekolah.
Di rumah nggak ada siapa-siapa.
Nggak ada yang kenal. Di rumah tidak ada siapa-siapa.
Kan mau pasar.
Oh, di sekolah.
Pasar.
Bersedia, tapi mohon maaf, besok saya sudah besok saya
Kita mulai aja ya, Bu.
tidak dan di rumah tidak bisa.
Dan kebetulan di rumah nggak ada siapa-siapa.
Gimana teman-teman? Mbak Reski sampai jam segini belum on. Kemarin juga belum. Gimana?
Awal. Abi
Saya
besok
hubungin
kemarin
beberapa kali masih
Iya,
memanggil.
makanya telepon biasa juga nggak aktif, Bu.
Terus gimana teman-teman?
jangan lupa bilang
Lanjut atau
Kalau
gimana?
Iya.
ikut besok juga nggak bisa.
Mbak Fani ini dikumpulinya kapan sih?
Besok, Bu, hari Kamis.
Waduh, iya ya. Gimana nih Mbak Reski?
pasti HP-nya yang mana yang belum ketemu?
Yang dari
HP-nya cuma
mama.
satu
Yang dari
nomornya.
bunda ada.
Oke, soalnya.
Kita mulai aja ya.
Ya jangan on.
Ya udah.
Iya. Tadi kan diituin katanya nggak on. Ya udah gimana? Boy,
Iya.
boy kata si Aura.
Udah 30 menit ini nunggu.
Kok tumben nggak ngamuk-ngamuk?
Kita mulai.
Ya, mulai
Mbak
aja.
Nurul, kita mulai Mbak Nurul.
Boleh, Bu.
Ya Mbak Anis on kamera.
Oke. Dari tadi nyala berarti.
Slide-nya udah muncul belum ya?
Slide-nya kelihatan, Bu.
Udah kelihatan.
Sudah.
Mbak Fani yang record ya?
Ya, sudah, Bu. Udah record. Dari tadi.
Ya jangan dari tadi, ngobrolnya ntar ke-record.
Ntar dipotong. Di crop.
Oke. Bentar ya, saya tes dulu. Bisa nggak? Oh nggak bisa ya?
Kalau di bagian latihan itu dibaca atau tidak ya, Bu? Kayaknya nggak perlu ya. Nggak dengar suaranya, Bu. Di mute.
Materinya udah tambah belum?
Masih di tugas presentasi.
Tugas
Oh,
presentasi.
enggak.
Kemana?
Saya yang share. Sorry.
Pantes saya klik nggak bisa.
Sorry, Bu, sorry.
Oke. Mulai ya dari yang itu pertama tadi. Oke.
Dari yang pertama.
Oke,
Sudah
kita
ya, Bu?
mulai ya. Ya, sip. Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for coming to this presentation. Nice to meet you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you very much for coming to us presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Musrifa, and our team is Miss Fani, Miss Anes, Miss Reski, and Miss Nurul. Okay, in this presentation, we will discuss about a dimension of symptom. Please, Miss Fani, present it.
Thank you, Miss Rifa. Andin is suffering in the hospital, and nurse is helping her to read the following conversation. Oh, my stomach is too bad.
Oh, gadong.
Ini saya
Siapa Pak Musir?
atau dua orang atau satu orang gimana?
Satunya lagi
Nggak
siapa?
ada briefing. Bukannya saya sama Mbak Ani ya?
Oh, iya. Maaf.
Diulang lagi, Bu. Boleh nggak? Di percakapan aja, Bu, langsung. Nggak ada briefing. Siap, Bu.
Ini conversationnya Andin sama nurse. Andinnya Miss Fani, nurse-nya
Iya.
Miss Anes.
Oh, iya.
Gitu ya. Nungguin Miss Anes nggak ngomong-ngomong.
Itu lagi.
Aduh. Lemot, maaf.
Kita mulai dari mana?
Dari itu aja.
Itu aja, Bu. Itu dari.
Ya. Andin is suffering from stomach ache.
Oke, yang ini dari betul. Ini dari Andin is suffering. Itu Miss Fani dulu ya?
Iya.
Ayo, silakan.
Andin is suffering from stomach. She is now in the hospital, and a nurse is helping her to recover. Read the following conversation. Oh, my stomach is too bad.
What that is like?
Miss Ab. It seems
What does it
neatly
like?
prepared my stomach. It seems
Please
a
read.
needle free.
Please lay down here. I will give a first aid.
Thanks.
This may help you to head the pain. Don't move. Just lay down here for the several minutes.
Thanks a lot.
What do you feel now?
I feel better now.
I'm happy to hear that. Does the pain cure frequently?
No, it don't. I just suffer it.
When did you feel it?
This morning, ouch, it's hard again.
You are not totally cured. Then please stay. Then please still lay down here. The doctor will examine you.
Can you give any medicines?
Sorry, I cannot, but you can use it to heal the pain.
B. Useful expressions. The following are useful expressions used by nurse to initially symptoms of a patient. Where do you feel it? Di mana kamu merasakannya? Where does the pain? Di mana yang sakitnya? Show me where it is. Tunjukkan kepada saya di mana itu. Does it hurt? Apakah itu menyakitkan? What is it like? Seperti apa itu? Is it big? Itu besar. How big it is? Seberapa besar? How does it feel? Bagaimana rasanya? What does the pain look like? Seperti apa rasa sakitnya? Does it bother your activity? Apakah itu mengganggu aktivitas Anda? Can you still move your arm? Apakah Anda masih bisa menggerakkan tangan Anda? Can you still chew food? Apakah Anda masih bisa mengunyah makanan? Do you eat spicy? Apakah Anda memakan makanan pedas? Where did you first notice it? Kapan pertama kali Anda menyadarinya? How long does it last? Sudah berapa lama? How often does it happen? Seberapa sering hal itu terjadi? How long have you suffered from it? Sudah berapa lama kamu menderita itu? Do you suffer it frequently? Apakah Anda sering merasakannya? What did you do before that? Apa yang kamu lakukan sebelumnya? Did you clean your house before? Apakah Anda sering membersihkan rumah Anda sebelumnya? Is it itchy? Apakah gatal? Does it hurt? Apakah itu menyakitkan? Do you vomit? Apakah Anda muntah? Do you feel better now? Apakah Anda merasa lebih baik sekarang?
G. Reading. Dengue fever symptom. Dengue fever is endemic in tropical and subtropical areas. Dengue fever is estimated by the World Health Organization WHO to cause about 50 and 100 million infections per year worldwide. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, considers dengue fever to cause the majority of acute febrile illness in travelers returning to the U.S. The first clinical report of dengue fever was in 1789 by Biras, although the Chinese may have described the disease associated with flying insects as early as 420 as early as 420 AD. African described Cadinia pepo as creme-like seizure caused by an evil spirit. The Spanish may have changed dinga to the new sense. It means fastidious or careful Spanish, which describes the gait of people trying to reduce the pain of walking. Unfortunately, the disease incidence seems to be increasing. Researchers suggest the surge in dengue fever may be due to several factors. Next. Next slide. Increased urban crowding with more sites for mosquitoes to develop. International commerce that contains infected mosquitoes, thus introducing the disease to areas previously free of the disease. Local and world environmental change that allow mosquitoes to survive the winter months. International travelers who carry the disease to areas where mosquitoes have not been previously infected. Dengue has spread widely throughout the world. The WHO distribution map show that dengue fever mainly occurs in tropical and subtropical areas. In the US, dengue fever has been detected in California, Florida, Texas, and Hawaii. Other areas where it has been detected or there has been an outbreak of the disease include the Philippines, Taiwan, Samoa, Brazil, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, Thailand, and New Delhi. However, as climates warm, experts suggest dengue will become more prevalent. In the 2015, an outbreak of dengue fever occurred in New Delhi. There was in 5 years. Over 10 million people test positive for dengue fever. There have been at least 32 deaths attributed to this outbreak. State-run hospital were so overcrowded that patients were sharing beds. An independent group, branded as University, suggests the actual number of people in India with dengue are vastly underreported. Next slide. Miss Fani.
Gejala demam berdarah. Gejala demam berdarah. Demam berdarah endemik di daerah tropis dan subtropis. Demam berdarah diperkirakan oleh Organisasi Kesehatan Dunia atau WHO menyebabkan sekitar 50-100 juta infeksi per tahun di seluruh dunia. Pusat Pengendalian dan Pencegahan Penyakit atau CDC menganggap demam berdarah sebagai penyebab mayoritas penyakit demam akut pada pelancong yang kembali ke AS. Laporan klinis pertama dari demam berdarah dibuat pada tahun 1789 oleh Bayras, meskipun orang Cina telah menggambarkan penyakit yang berhubungan dengan serangga yang menggeluti sejak 400 Masehi. Orang Afrika menggambarkan Kadinga pepo sebagai kejang seperti kram yang disebabkan oleh roh jahat. Bahasa Spanyol mungkin telah mengubah dinga menjadi demam berdarah karena dari bahasa Spanyol yang artinya yang teliti atau hati-hati yang menggambarkan gaya berjalan orang yang mencoba mengurangi rasa sakit saat berjalan. Sayangnya, kejadian penyakit tampaknya terus meningkat. Peneliti menyebutkan lonjakan demam berdarah karena beberapa faktor. Yang pertama, meningkatkan kepadatan perkotaan sehingga lebih banyak tempat untuk nyamuk berkembang biak. Kedua, perdagangan internasional yang mengandung nyamuk yang terinfeksi sehingga membawa penyakit ke daerah yang sebelumnya bebas dari penyakit. Ketiga, perubahan lingkungan lokal dan dunia yang memungkinkan nyamuk untuk bertahan hidup di bulan-bulan musim dingin. Keempat, pelancong internasional yang membawa penyakit ini ke daerah-daerah yang sebelumnya belum pernah terinfeksi nyamuk. Demam berdarah telah menyebar ke seluruh dunia. Peta sebaran WHO menunjukkan bahwa demam berdarah terjadi terutama di daerah tropis dan subtropis. Di US, demam berdarah telah terdeteksi di California, Florida, Texas, dan Hawaii, daerah lain dan di mana telah terdeteksi atau telah terjadi wabah penyakit termasuk Filipina, Taiwan, Papua, Brasil, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, Thailand, dan New Delhi. Namun saat iklim hangat, para ahli mengumumkan demam berdarah akan menjadi lebih umum. Pada tahun 2015 terjadi wabah demam berdarah di New Delhi, merupakan yang terparah dalam 5 tahun terakhir. Lebih dari 10.000 orang dinyatakan positif demam berdarah, setidaknya ada 32 kematian yang dikaitkan dengan wabah ini. Rumah sakit yang dikelola negara begitu penuh dan sesak sehingga pasien berbagi tempat tidur. Sebuah kelompok independen atau Branch University menyatakan bahwa jumlah sebenarnya penderita demam berdarah di India sangat jarang dilaporkan.
Okay, to be part, Miss Nurul.
Exercise 1. Answer the following questions based on the text. What does the text mainly talk about? What is dengue fever? What are the factors of dengue fever? Where does dengue fever commonly flourish? What happened with dengue fever in India?
Next slide, Miss Wani.
Bentar, Bu. Loading.
Next, Miss Nurul.
Past perfect tense. A. What is the past perfect tense? The past perfect tense keeps the past in the past, as they say. The verbs that are placed in this tense have not happened and complete before relate actions can occur. This past participle tense take the past form of the verb to have as a modifier. Example, had talk. The past perfect tense form has a couple of different functions that it can perform. Number one, it can describe an action that occurred in the past that is related to another action that occurred in the past after the first action. Example, I had driven to Pittsburgh before driving on to Detroit. Number two, it can describe two non-continuous actions that occur in sequence. Example, I had driven to Florida and then boarded a cruise 2 days later. Their two functions are very similar, but the nuance between them are a bit different in terms of what information is conveyed to the listener or reader.
Okay, to be part, Miss Anes.
Structure formula. Subject, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Auxiliary verb, had. The past perfect is used to talk about action that were complicated before some point in the past. The past perfect is formed by combining had with the past participle of the main verb. Next slide. Verb past perfect tense formula. Positive. Subject had past participle verb 3. Example, the players had lost heart before the match. The match finished. Negative. Subject had not past participle verb 3. Example, the players had not lost heart before the match finished. Question, had subject past participle verb 3. Example, had the players lost heart before the match finished?
Next slide.
Next, please. Positive sentence. Subject had been. Adjective, kata sifat. Adverb, keterangan. Noun, kata benda. Example, she had been at house. She had been at house. Negative, subject had not been. Adjective, adverb, noun. Example, she had not been at house. Question, had subject been. Adjective, adverb, noun. Example, had she been at house? The past perfect tense used. The past perfect tense used to describe an action finished before another past action. Example, Richard had gone out when his wife arrived in the office. Number 2, to describe an action that happened before a specific time in the past. Example, Christine had never been to an opera before last night. Number 3, to describe cause and effect, combined with past example. Example, I got stuck to traffic because that had been an accident. Number 4, to implies the result of activity in the past. Example, I had been to London twice by the time I got job in New York.
Oh iya.
The time expressions used with the past perfect tense. Already, yet, for, since, just, after, before, until, the moment that.
Okay, to be part. Exercise 2, 1. The storm destroyed the building that we again. A will be B. Has built. C. Have built. D. Had built. Number 2. C. Blah blah blah. A horse before that day. A. Haven't read. B. Has not read. C. Had not ridden. D. Haven't ridden. Number 3. I could not remember the grammar we blah 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 the week before. A. Had learned. B. Have learned. C. Has learned. D. Had learned. Number 4. When you went out to play, C. Blah 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 her homework. A. Have already finished. B. Had already finished. C. Has already done. D. Was done. Number 5. He blah 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 to China before 2015. A. Has not been. B. Have not been. C. Was not been. D. Had not been. Number 6. When I arrived at the cinema, the film blah 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 A. Had started. B. Have started. C. Will start. D. Was start. Next slide. Number 7. C. Blah 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 in China before she went to Thailand. A. Has lived. B. Like lived. C. Have liked. D. Had left. Number 8. After they blah 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 the selfish, they began to feel sick. A. Have eat. B. Had eaten. C. Eat. D. Will eat. Number 9. When we blah 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 dinner, we went out. A. Had finished. B. Have finished. C. Has finished. D. Was finished. Number 10. They blah blah blah. So we went to a restaurant. A. Was not eat. B. Have not eat. C. Had not eaten. D. Were not eat. Number 11. I was more than happy to see Tom again as I blah 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 him for eggs. A. Had not seen. B. Saw. C. Had not seen. D. Didn't see. Number 12. The girl had blah 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 before her mom helped her. A. Fall. B. Fallen. C. Fell. D. Fell. Next slide. Number 10. I had blah 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 about after school. A. Take. B. Took. C. Text. D. Taken. Number 14. that had blah 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 me a present when I got the first rank. A give, B gives, C given, D gave. Number 15. Had you blah 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 the news before you came here? A see, B seen, C saw, D sees. Next slide. Okay, thank you.
Bu, kita lewatkan satu latihan tadi.
Gimana, Mbak Fani?
Nanti saya balik. Bentar. Soalnya remote. Bentar ya.
Masih ada ya?
Latihan 1. Tadi kan latihan 2.
Hmm.
Bentar. Yang ini, Bu. Kelihatan nggak?
Exercise 1 ya?
Iya.
Kelihatan? Ya.
Ini udah
Siapa
dibaca.
selanjutnya? Mbak Fani?
Oh, ini udah ya?
Udah dibaca, tadi aku baca.
Ini udah dibaca tadi ya?
Udah.
Oh ya, berarti
Exercise 1.
ditutup aja, Bu.
Udah ya?
Ya.
Oke. Okay, thank you for attention. Thank you, Miss John and all friends. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss. See you.
Afternoon. We have finished.
Nanti
Terus
video
gimana?
Udah belum?
videonya nanti kirim ya, Bu.
Hah? Video
Video.
apaan?
Ini recording.
Lah,
Hasil.
bukannya yang record itu Mbak Fani ya?
Iya, maksudnya nanti saya kirim.
Oh, kaget aku.
Untuk lihat
Kirain aku
hasil.
suruh ngerekam. Kaget aja tadi. Waduh, suruh ngerekam. Ini Mbak Reski tadi udah baca di grup kayaknya deh, tapi nggak join.
Oh.
Gimana tuh nanti?
Nggak tahu lagi, Bu.
Berarti besok dikirim ke Mr. John ya?
Iya, Bu. Bentar
Oke.
saya.
Nah, berapa slide? Berarti kita udah nggak ada tugas lagi kan ya? Komplementer udah selesai. Bahasa Inggris sudah.
Iya.
Oke. Oke, Mbak Nurul habis jaga ya?
Baru bangun tidur.
Baru tidur.
Oke, Bu.
Oke, berarti kita close aja ya.
Iya. Oke.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Bu. Oke. Bye. Saya Liv ya, Bu. Stop share.